Hello all, I will now show you how to create a simple read and write data to a text file. Suppose we have a company with certain employees and we need to write their data to a text file. Let's create a structure worker and specify parameters such as employee's full name, age, and position in the company. Let's create a simple node in the list where we specify the parameters worker, the current employee, and the pointer to the next element of the list, next. This node is needed since I will perform this task using a singly linked list. Briefly, this is a data structure consisting of nodes, each of which contains certain data. Let's create a class company with public section. This class will have parameters for the head of the list and the number of elements in the list. Let's write a constructor in which we'll write an initialization list, assign the value nulptr to the head, and initially set the number of list items to 0. Let's write the function pushFront, adding to the beginning of the list, which takes a constant reference to the person object as an input. Create a temporary node TMP in order not to lose the head, and write there the data and move the pointer to the next node of the list. Then we return head. The two most important functions of our program remain reading and writing the file. Both of them take a constant reference to the file name as input. In data reading from file, we create a temporary buffer. Then we open the file with stdstream and check that the file opened without errors. Then use an infinite loop to read a line from the file and print it to the console. We check if we get to the end, we stop the loop. In data writing, write to the file, open the file via offstream. We also check that the file was opened without any errors. Create a temporary variable TMP where we put the head of the list. Go through the list until we get to the end and write the data to the file line by line. After all manipulations, close the file thread. That is all, the problem is solved. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, mark it.